Hello everyone, welcome back to Mithun Diaries. Today, I have brought you to one of Bengaluru's most awaited festive attractions, Bengaluru's Cake Show 2025-26, happening right here in JPnagar. If you love Christmas vibes, artistic cakes, culture, tradition, and creativity, this place is an absolute must visit. Let's explore this magical cake world together. The first thing that grabs your attention here is the massive Christmas cake display, beautifully designed with festive colors, lights, and incredible detailing. You will find stunning Christmas tree shaped cakes crafted entirely using edible materials. Every layer, ornament, and decoration reflects the spirit of Christmas, truly a visual treat. No Christmas celebration is complete without Santa Claus. Here, Santa themed cakes are designed with such precision, from facial expressions to costume details. It feels like Santa has come alive in cake form. Kids absolutely love this section, and trust me, adults enjoy it just as much. One of the most touching sections of the cake show is the beautifully crafted Jesus Christ themed cake. This reminds us of the true meaning of Christmas: peace, love, sacrifice, and humanity. The craftsmanship here is calm, elegant, and spiritually uplifting. One of the most elegant and historically significant attractions at the cake show is the cake dedicated to Sri Krishna Raja Wadiyar IV, the legendary Maharaja of Mysore. Known as a visionary ruler and a great patron of art, education, and infrastructure, Krishna Raja Wadiyar IV played a vital role in shaping modern Karnataka. This cake beautifully captures his royal presence, traditional attire, and dignified expression, paying tribute to his immense contributions to the state. It's not just a cake, but respectful homage to a king whose legacy continues to inspire generations. Now comes a Karnataka pride moment, a stunning cake replica of Mysore Palace showcasing royal architecture, detailed domes, lighting effects. It's unbelievable how closely this cake resembles the real palace, a perfect blend of art, culture, and baking excellence. Another iconic Karnataka landmark, KRS Dam. This cake beautifully represents flowing water effects, structural design, engineering brilliance. It's not just a cake, it's a tribute to Karnataka's heritage and development. A very unique and proud display, HAL themed cake showcasing India's aviation excellence. This cake highlights Bengaluru's identity as the aerospace capital of India. a perfect mix of technology and creativity. The clock tower themed cake stands out with its classic design and symmetry. Every number, pillar, and clock and is precisely crafted, a symbol of time, heritage, and architectural elegance. Music lovers, this one is for you. You will see cakes designed as guitars, drums, traditional instruments. Each instrument cake reflects rhythm, art, and creativity, almost too beautiful to cut. A true royal spectacle, Jamboo Savari themed cake. Inspired by Mysore Dasara, this cake shows decorated elephants, royal procession, cultural grandeur. It's a proud representation of Karnataka's festivals and traditions. The Radha Krishna themed cake brings divine love and serenity into the show. The expressions, posture, and colors create a peaceful and spiritual vibe, a reminder of devotion and eternal love. This is the kids' favorite, and now let's talk about kids' happiness. The cartoon section includes colorful and fun cake designs that instantly attract children. This area is full of joy, creativity, and playful imagination. One of the most powerful and culturally rich sections is the Kantara Daiva theme, inspired by the movie Kantara. Panjurli Daiva cake. The detailing, colors, and expressions are absolutely stunning. This section represents coastal Karnataka traditions, spirituality, and folklore, beautifully translated into edible art. This is again the Daiva theme, one of the most powerful and spiritually significant attractions of the cake show is the cake made of Swamy Koragajja. This cake beautifully represents the Daiva tradition of coastal Karnataka, symbolizing protection, justice, and divine energy. The detailing, facial expressions, traditional ornaments, and vibrant colors truly capture the essence of Swamy Koragajja, making it not just a cake but a cultural and spiritual tribute. This section especially stands out for visitors who appreciate Karnataka's folklore, faith, and heritage. One of the most exciting sections is the animal cakes. You will find cakes shaped like zebra, bear, deer, tiger. After exploring all these amazing cake displays, don't worry, there is a dedicated food court too. You can enjoy snacks, refreshments, fast food options. It's a perfect place to relax, eat, and recharge before continuing your visit. So this is a perfect place for family outing, kids friendly event. It's a cultural and festive experience, affordable entry fees, great for photography and reels. It gives Christmas and Karnataka culture in one place. So friends, this was Bengaluru's Cake Show 2025-26 in JPnagar, a wonderful blend of art, culture, devotion, creativity, and festive joy. If you are in Bengaluru during Christmas or New Year, don't miss this event. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe to Mithun Diaries. Share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in the next vlog with another exciting experience. Until then, take care and keep exploring. Thank you for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.